Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This CELPIP writing task, one example shows a well-written email in response to the prompt. You can pause the video now to read the full answer if you need more time. The email successfully addresses all parts of the task. For example, it asks how to become a member to cover the first bullet point. It also asks about typical meeting times and locations and types of books the club discusses. Each bullet point from the prompt is clearly answered. The email is well organized with clear paragraphs. It uses a polite and slightly formal tone, which is suitable for contacting a community group organizer for the first time. The greeting, "Dear Book Club Organizer," and closing, "Sincerely," are appropriate. Notice the helpful linking words used to guide the reader. Words like "firstly," "secondly," and "finally" make the email easy to follow. Simple connectors such as "because" and are also used. For vocabulary, the writer included some stronger words like enthusiastic and availability. These are good examples of slightly more advanced words that fit naturally. For beginners, a good tip is to plan your email by using the 3 bullet points as a checklist. Write a short paragraph for each point, ensuring you answer exactly what the prompt asks. This will help you stay focused and cover all requirements. This explanation will show why the model answer for option A is effective. You can pause the video now to read the full answer if you need more time. The response clearly states a preference for option A and provides strong reasons for this choice. For instance, it argues that sports facilities promote physical activity and a healthy lifestyle. It also explains how they help build stronger community bonds. The answer is well structured. It begins with a clear introduction stating the chosen option. Then it develops two main paragraphs, each presenting a distinct reason supported by examples. The conclusion nicely summarizes the main points. The tone is semi-formal and persuasive, which is appropriate for this type of survey response. The writer uses helpful linking words to connect ideas smoothly. Examples include firstly, secondly, and in conclusion. These words make the essay easy to follow. For vocabulary, the answer uses effective terms like promotes and vibrant. These are slightly more advanced words that improve the quality of the writing without being too complex for the target level. For your own writing, remember to clearly state your chosen option right at the start. Then provide at least two distinct reasons to support your choice. Use specific examples if possible to make your explanations more concrete and persuasive. This approach will help you organize your ideas effectively. This explanation will show why the model answer for option B is effective. You can pause the video now to read the full answer if you need more time. The response clearly states a preference for option B and provides good reasons. For example, it explains that natural areas provide a quiet escape from city noise and daily stress. It also highlights how these areas support local wildlife and improve the environment. The answer is structured very clearly. It begins by stating the preferred option in the first sentence. Then it uses two body paragraphs, each developing a main reason with supporting details and examples. The conclusion effectively summarizes the main points. The tone is semi-formal and persuasive, which is suitable for a survey response. The writer uses several linking words that help the reader follow the flow of ideas. These include firstly, secondly, and in conclusion. Such words make the writing coherent and easy to understand. Regarding vocabulary, the answer incorporates stronger words like enhance and well-being. These B2 level words add depth to the writing without making it too difficult for the target audience. For your own writing, make sure your introduction clearly states your choice. Then, dedicate separate paragraphs to different reasons, explaining each one fully. Always include a brief conclusion that restates your main point. This method helps keep your answer organized and complete.